as there's a saying that says, it takes a village to raise a child. Like any other organization, any other corporate, even a school has multiple verticals that we need, that kind of form the school team, and that school team together can help us reach a designated outcome or a decided outcome. The same verticals that exist in a corporate world, exactly the same verticals are extremely essential even in a school setup, right? Like for example, the HR. As simple as recruiting the right teachers at the right time to creating the right policy so that the teachers, students, and the staff members are safe in a workplace. That is what the HR does even in a school setup. If we talk about the finance team, anyone with a finance background can help us with raising funds, allocating them, and kind of utilizing them in the right ways at the right time. We talk about admins. There is huge amount of data, like schools, you're running schools from kind of KG to grade 12, grade 10, and there's so much of student data that all of us have. Managing that data, if a teacher starts to manage that data, then I don't think she will be able to manage class and data together. So kind of data management, operation, logistics. So anyone with good administrative skills, or basically and a degree or an education in in administration, can also be a part of the education system, right? And this was mostly around the school campus. If I talk outside the school campus, we are extending our approach. I mean, teaching is not just now to teacher and student. It is more of engaging parents also, because there are multiple stakeholders that are around, and without engaging all the stakeholders, a student cannot reach the best of his or her levels. So to engage parents or to engage the community, we need our social workers, our counselors, to make sure all the special needs, students with special needs, or even the general mental well-being of parents, teachers, students is at a good place. We need all of these people. So we cannot just stop with teachers and school. Now we need to change our dynamics, and we need to think of multiple verticals when we think of school. Teachers cannot, should not, and definitely they will not run schools single-handedly anymore. I really think whatever anyone learns at any point in education, in their education, it can definitely be mapped. As Mamaya said, it's just about picking the right skill, the skill that you have to offer. And I mean, that's just a step towards bringing a leveled field for everyone in the education sector. Besides the formal education, I would talk as of now, Khyati. In my head, I divided it into three parts. There's this disposition, there's some skills, and there's some bit of knowledge that we need to know. When I talk about dispositions, the basic that we start with is the intention, the care, the love, the empathy that you start with. Without that intention, you won't be able to align to the vision. You need to believe in the vision, the cause, and the why of what we are doing. You need to believe that education at any level can be transformational, be it at grade 1 level, be it at an adult coming back to school after n number of years. Man se bhi, it's equally important to be mentally also be 100% in it. So that those are the softer sides. If I talk about the skills, with the changing times, the competition that has increased, just a textbook teaching would not be the best thing that I would enter with in my class. I need to have some basic knowledge that I can build on, that I can research on about my subject. That's the knowledge bit also I talk about. Being able to research, being able to have that outcome oriented planning process in my head, that I need to reach some outcome by the end of this year, and being able to plan towards that, being able to manage my time accordingly, and stop in the way, analyze my data, change my path, and all of those. Being able to also identify which are the ethical practices in a education space and which are not. These are the basics which I feel are extremely useful if a person wants to enter into the education system, be it the social sector or the private sector.